Angelo Espinosa. Oftentimes, my students would call me Sir Pogi. Pero mas kilala ako bilang Sir Jello. I've been the very first Ateneo Rotaractor. Short story, way back, we only have Rotaract Naga. It was then I was very active in the OSA. Ako yung boses sa likod ng mga announcements, host ng karamihan ng event, and then facilitator during AWIL. I think I have been one of the facilitators for 3 years ng AWIL with Ma'am Jude. Cut the story short, lumapit yung Rotaract Naga. I can clearly remember my very good friend si Ate Lizelle asking Sir Sunny kung pwedeng bumuo ng Rotaract Ateneo. And Sir Sunny tapped me, Jello, build this organization. So, alam niyo naman, medyo madaming task si OSA, mission and vision, constitution and bylaws. So, I single-handedly created all of those and created ghost members. Kasi kailangan ng 10 members. Kidding aside, I invited my close friends. I was a Gabay president way back then. So, I invited Neil, my vice president, and JR, my co-education major. So, technically, 3 kami, tas mga 7 inactive na EDOC major para lang may masubmit. And eventually, the Rotaractor or the Rotaract Ateneo flourished, along with my very good president in USI, si kalimutan ko, basta napakagandang president. And I had to give up after a year of being active in the Rotaract. I'm going into practicum, and I'll be sent to Indonesia for my practicum as well for a month. So I asked Neil, my vice president, to take over. And mula noon, the Rotaract grew. I'm really actually surprised na Rotaract Ateneo is one of the biggest organization now here in Ateneo. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Join now!